Welcome to Smartfm Indonesia Makassar, the spirit of Indonesia. Smart up your life. Smart up FM, of course, in 101.1 FM. Okay, as usually, I'm not alone. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Okay, we have friends from BPEC, and usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m. we have a special program collaborate between Smart FM and BPEC, stand for Benteng Panua English Club. Hi.
Hi. Hello.
How are you?
That's great.
Yeah, that's
Oh, great.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, I want to start from you. Mister, okay, can you introduce yourself to smart listeners?
Hello, smart listener. My name is Farlaksan Saputra, and you can call me Achan.
Okay, hi, Chang.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Okay,
Hi,
you.
good evening. Introduce, my name is James. And that's all. What
Okay, James newcomer, yeah.
Yeah.
Welcome, James. Okay, what about
Okay,
you?
thank you so much.
Okay, smart listener. I will introduce myself. My name Ahmad Aryandi. You can call me Rian. Thank you.
Hi, Rian.
Hello.
How are you?
Yeah, just fine.
That's fine. Okay, because tonight, as usually, we have a special topic, and this topic is very interesting. And not only this, we are discussing here, but also we are invite to smart listener to join with our discussion. Of course, by share their questions to us via WhatsApp in 081 146 or 081 Okay, take a break, long break.
Yeah.
Yeah. Special for James because actually I got surprised because not confirmation to come, but I want to say welcome, James. As a
yeah.
newcomers.
Even though this is the very first time for me interviewing here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm so glad to be welcome here.
Yeah, I would like to introduce also
Okay.
myself. My name is Sam Sahril Dias. You can call me Dias.
Hello,
Hi,
Dias.
Mr.
Hi.
Hi,
And I'm
good
also part of BPEC Benteng
Yeah.
Panua English Club. But by the way, before we talking about our discussion, can you one of you introduce the BPEC itself? What is BPEC?
evening. Who's first?
Who won? Only one.
Me?
Okay, James.
Okay, well then I would like to introduce about what is BPC. BPC stands for Benteng Panua English Club.
Yeah.
It is located on for Rotterdam for every Sunday weekly meeting. But currently, in spite of a COVID-19 condition, it has to it has to access to gather just at home or do not make such a big condition or gathering. So this is the reason that's why we just perform our for fans for every Sunday weekly meeting just in Jipang Rai Street in our headquarters.
Okay, what
In Telp
criteria to
Street.
join in BPEC? What criteria?
My criterias, I would like to say that it is I would like to enjoy for us English speaking publicly because
Okay.
it's so hard to find any person to speak in English randomly because a lot of my family,
Okay.
my friends,
Okay.
they cannot really speak in English.
Is it free, right?
Yeah, it's really
Okay.
free because we would like to enhance our experience,
Okay.
enhance the knowledge.
Okay, so smart listener, please join
Yeah,
with us in
okay.
BPEC free of charge.
That's
Give a
good,
applause for
right?
BPEC before. Yeah. Then. I want to mention our topic tonight. This is a very interesting. The topic consists of two words. They are future investment. In Bahasa, future masa depan, investment investasi. So when we translate investasi masa depan.
Oh, that's
Okay.
great.
Yeah, that's great. That's why we are here to
Yeah.
discuss about this. Okay.
Sorry.
Let me start from maybe Achang.
Yes.
Okay. What do you think about this topic?
Actually, this topic very interest for me because we know that yesterday we can join in webinar is Smart FM. Yes.
yeah.
And we can learn about this how to investasi in future investment. And actually, yes, even if we are young, we can success we can prepare about their life but we should to sacrifice in their money, sacrifice in their time, and actually we can learn about we can get more anything when we sacrifice about anything in their life.
Okay.
And so that's why in future investment it doesn't mean about their money, and it will include about their knowledge,
Okay.
about their experience, and so on and so far. And I think that's all about
What did you
future.
got from webinar yesterday?
There are many. I get a lot of knowledge about this, and I think I will start from now to invest in my at least in my knowledge. Yes, and if and maybe we can investment about their money before my knowledge.
Okay, because you want to be a rich man, right?
Yeah. I hope that.
Okay, what about you, James? What do you think about this topic tonight? Future
What I think
investment.
about investment is
Yeah.
invest is to allocate money in expectation of some benefit in the future.
Mm-hmm.
In finance, the benefit from an investment is called a return. The return may consist of a gain or a loss realized from the sale of a property or an investment, and realized capital appreciation or depreciation, or investment income such as dividends, interest, rental income, etc., or a combination of a capital gain and income. The return may also include currency gains or losses due to change in the foreign currency exchange rates. Investors generally expect higher returns from riskier investments. When a low-risk investment is made, the return is also generally low. Similarly, high-risk incomes with high returns.
Okay.
Investors, particularly not novices, are often advised to adopt a particular investment strategy and diversify their portfolio. Diversification has the statistical effect of reducing overall risk. Okay,
Yeah.
that's what I
Okay, because you
I
are
think
already
it's
here in my statement that consists of two words. Future investment in Bahasa, investasi masa depan. Can you produce in your own words by make it simple? Like I say, investasi masa depan. Like I say.
Yeah, according to what you say about future investments,
Yeah.
we can give a very simple example
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah.
When you were you began as an entrepreneur.
Okay.
You just have a little money.
Okay.
You just only saving it and
Okay.
spend it to begin your business.
Saving, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, what about you? Do you get the point? What do you think about this topic tonight?
Okay, I think that this topic is really interesting to discuss, because you know that we have to invest what we need in our future.
Okay.
It's not about the money itself, but we have to invest. How to say?
Not only money, you say.
Not only money, but also we have to share our knowledge to other people.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great answer.
I will ask you later about it. That's it.
So we need to share our knowledge because you know that in the past we have learned many things, many how to say pelajaran.
Okay. Education.
Many education, but
learn.
we if we just keep it, it's how to say gampang dilupa.
Okay.
Yeah, I would like to forget.
It's not. It's very easy to
It's
to
easy
forget.
to forget. But if we share it, we always
As much possible you share, as much possible you
as much
get.
we get.
Yeah. Okay. I get the point.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Hi. Welcome.
Hi, welcome.
You make me
Oh my God.
surprised.
I'm sorry, I'm late.
The one and only, the beautiful.
No,
The most beautiful here.
Because it's the only one girl here.
Okay, can you
pleasure.
introduce yourself to our
Okay.
smart listener?
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Anda Delia Nabila. You can call me Adele.
Hi, Adele.
Hi.
Okay, do you know about our topic tonight?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, because we are in the same group. Our topic tonight is the future investment. When we translate to Bahasa, investasi masa depan. What do you think about this topic tonight?
Talk about investment.
Yeah.
Investment is important factor for save our money, for save for economic growth,
Okay.
and for save our financial in the future. And investment we give invest some asset with some holding, and holding get a feedback for investor. So this is like a benefit from what is investor.
Okay, so
What is-
this is there is impact,
Yes.
positive impact, of course, about how can we put our future investment.
Yeah, it's important factor.
Yeah. Okay. I want to move to Mr. Brian.
Okay.
Okay. I'm interested with your statement that there another side about future investment, not
Yeah.
only money.
Yeah.
Could you mention what are they?
Yeah.
do you mean?
For example, we are in English club now.
Okay. Yeah.
We have to share what we get in our school,
Okay.
and we need to share it to other people.
Share knowledge.
Yeah, share the
Okay.
knowledge.
What else?
And we have to keep speaking English.
Okay.
Because if you
Study hard.
yeah,
Yeah.
if you
Study hard also. Okay. Okay.
if you just study hard, but you only keep it in
Okay.
your mind,
Okay.
it's how to say, it
Share
suddenly-
knowledge, study
it
hard, make it deep.
then that knowledge is suddenly gone.
And someday you will, you will how to say feel the result.
Yes.
Something like that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What about you, James? Do you have perspective that future investment is not only money?
Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure.
Can you give your perspective about future
Okay, I would like to
investment?
give my perspective as it has mentioned by Mr. Brian that education is also one of the form of education.
Okay.
Also, the character, the teachings, and experience, and everything also could be an investments.
Okay.
Okay, education is one of the most important key.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know about the milestone of history?
Mm-hmm.
In the prehistory, we just live in
Wow.
with just a song,
Yeah.
and today we live in the modernity. We speak in the microphone. We sit in the chair.
Yeah.
It's also about the investment, about the education.
Mm-hmm.
We share each other, and then develop such the knowledge. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it's called one of the form of investment because we share to other people and then develop and then share again and then that's going on and on and on.
Maybe
Until
because
today.
because education in the future can make or building how to say peradaban, something like that, right?
For various civilizations from time to time.
Okay. What about you, Mr. Achang? What is your another perspective about future investment? Because as we know that all of us agree that future investment not only about money, not only about a field or garden or what is it? Yeah.
Actually, I'm really agree what this statement because maybe we can mention one the influencer in Indonesia is Vicky Naki. You know Vicky Naki.
Okay. I know.
I'm really appreciate about this sacrifice because
Very popular,
Yes,
Vicky Naki
yes,
on
very
YouTube
popular.
and Emo TV.
Always popular.
yes,
yeah.
of course they actually we can already to hear about this story. They learn autodidact. And
Oh, wow.
yes, of course, and they watch YouTube for example,
Okay.
and they don't bimbel and yes, of course they with their parents and just only contract rumah and actually I don't really believe what we how to learn autodidact without friend for example and Yes, actually, I at the end they have a investment,
Okay.
investment in their future. And we know that now they're really famous. And
Do you think that like Fikinaki, now Fikinaki is very popular? It means that he is give a self actualization, and of course, another people get inspiration from his. Do you agree about that?
Yes, I'm
Why?
really
Why?
because why? Because Vicky because they are ready to how to say tell about their story. They
Yeah.
can motivate to other people. It is not impossible when we learn autodidact, right? And even if we from poor people, for example, and
Okay.
if we consistent, we can get anything, we can get any more. And actually, I'm really appreciate.
You
what-
know, in my mind that like a Fikinaki inspirator.
Yes.
But we take a positive inspiration. It's mean that positive inspiration include our future investment, right? Do you agree about it?
Yes, I'm really agree because we know.
Are you fans? With Fikinaki?
Now maybe
one of the
now.
fans.
I am fans Fikinaki.
Okay, okay.
One of
Yes,
the fans.
I think it is include.
Maybe Fikinaki listeners.
No, just in Ome TV.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Okay. Do you still have a
Yes, I
explanation?
still I agree if Fikinaki include about the future investment because we know future investment at the end we akhirnya how to say ke uang.
Okay,
With
okay.
money.
Finally, you know, because he is a like influencer. Of course, he has online platform like
Yes.
Omi TV, YouTuber, and whatever. And of course, the result is monetizing.
Yes. Of course.
And to be rich. So back to money again, but it's okay.
Yes,
This
back
is
to
a very
money again.
interesting. Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
What
Kak.
about you, Miss Ada? What is your perspective? Other perspective about future investment, like maybe inspiration or maybe obligation, or you have a rice field in the village, or what else?
Wow,
Do you
I'm
have
very
example?
rich like
Do you have
that.
example about future investment, not only money?
Yes, investment not only money,
Yeah.
can gold or property, like education also.
Okay.
And then I have some motivator, not only
Property, education.
yes,
Okay.
and gold,
Continue. And
gold. Yeah,
Gold,
gold. No,
emas.
yes.
okay.
This is higher
Ibu-ibu.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
And I have some motivator now, not only Vikinaki and motivator.
Ah.
Every entrepreneur nowadays is.
Can you mention
This is the
who are they?
famous.
Who
Yeah,
are they?
this is the famous investment in the
Okay.
world, and the rich people number 3 since 2018. Every entrepreneur know that. This
Warren
is
Buffett.
yes, exactly Warren Buffett.
Yeah.
You know it. Yeah, Warren Buffett. I very inspired with this. Yes, this is very inspire me.
What kind of things you can get
'Cause-
from him?
Because they have the word what they say is a goal for me.
Okay.
Like what I remember the word they said, like the best investment. The best investment is what do you do for yourself.
What do you do for yourself?
Yes.
Okay.
This is the best
Okay.
investment.
Make it productive.
Yes. And know your passion. Know your passion for and what the value, what your investment
Okay.
is
Okay.
very important.
Okay.
Know your value about what you invest
Okay.
investment.
Okay.
Because
This is like tips from expert. Not from other, but from expert. Okay. Okay. Continue.
every people is expect that investment about is about business. But
okay.
if you're real entrepreneur,
Okay.
if you're real entrepreneur, it's not talk about business.
Okay. Yeah. I
It's
agree.
talk about mindset,
Yeah.
skill,
Yeah.
and the different rule they have.
Wow, give me
Yeah.
applause. You got it.
This is very inspiring. So I always remember that word.
That works.
Warren Buffett.
Okay.
My favorite invest.
Okay, guys. That is the second questions. Okay, let us to move to the third question about future investment. Okay, do you have something to?
Yeah, I would like to give my additional point view is about
Okay, you may.
future investment. Future investment is also healthy allowance.
Okay. Yeah.
And there's something one, but I forget it. But let me explain in the prior what I mentioned. Healthy. In our young age, we need more and more for our activity.
Yeah.
Especially when we take a rest for taking sport.
Yeah.
This is the reason. That's why, because we must have to be healthy. One of the future investments is healthy. That's why.
Yeah.
When you're being in your retiring age, when your body's immune become declining day by day, healthy investment is one of the most important key. Take a look when we see for 70s, 80s, or even 90s people, they become weaker day by day. This is the reason. That's why investment is one of the most important key. So when you're taking into your aging, you still become stronger, and you can walking, you can jumping, and also you can do anything activity even though in your retiring age.
Yeah. Let me say in bahasa, harta yang paling berharga
Yeah.
adalah kesehatan.
Wow.
Harta yang paling berharga adalah kesehatan.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi again.
Okay, we are very enthusiastic
Yeah.
because our topic tonight is very interesting, and sometimes I'm not patient to asking you guys.
Really excited.
Yeah, always. Okay, because we already answered about totally 3 questions, and now I want to move to the fourth questions. This is the real questions. Okay, from Adam. Because we're talking about future investment, and now you are a millennial, maybe Z generation, right?
Yeah.
You are Z generation, and you are mastering technology. You are power generation. Honestly, I am Y generation. Yeah,
Don't make me feel
you are Z. Yeah. Okay. You are more than all of you guys. Okay. My question is talking about future investment. We already explained what is that, how it looks like, what about the perspective, and now my question is, do you have right now investment, and what looks like your investment
All right. I'm
in
still,
your real life?
okay.
Nowadays. Do you have, and what kind?
All right.
Yeah.
I'm still learning about investment. How to manage my time, how to manage my money. I'm still learning about that. And I have planning to invest something.
Okay.
Like for to secure in my future.
Can you just mention the concrete one already have your investment? Can you? Okay, one. I give you clue. You have already education. This is a concrete one. What is the second? Maybe you have a business or?
Exactly. I want
have?
to just a little bit.
Okay.
Just small business.
What is that? Online shopping?
No.
Uh-huh.
Some like a sell drink.
Boot. You have a boot of drink.
Online buy online.
Oh wow, good. It's great.
Yeah. I get this business because I get innovation. This is story from my business, just a small business.
Okay.
But I the boss.
Oh, wow, wow, proud to you.
Even though just a small business.
Yeah, but we do have your business is bigger.
Yeah,
something
just
like
small business to help me through my financial.
that. So you how you to say you use a system like an online, so everyone
Yeah.
can how to say grab can
No, in Grab, just online by WhatsApp or yeah.
okay.
Maybe I'm not promoting here because this is not promotion.
This is not promotion, but this is not a real talk.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have something else? And the third, maybe?
The third is, I planning want to invest gold
Gold.
because gold every year can increase. You know, it's
Inflation,
not
right?
different. It's not change the value of
Yeah.
gold.
The effects of inflation.
Yeah, in the world, gold have a same.
Maybe you will invest in to gold from your how to say income to your business.
Yes,
right.
exactly.
Okay, good. Okay. What about you, Chang? Do you have now investment?
Yes, besides in knowledge,
Uh-huh.
I mean to increase
First, education.
First, yes, of course.
Okay,
First,
second?
education, and the second, I have a little business, and I'm not boss.
Wow.
No, I think
What kind of business do you have?
to sell my phone.
Okay.
Okay, let's start. It is my business from my brother, and
Okay.
actually I help it to promote.
But you join also.
But
join.
I join. I just
Okay.
post in their in
Uh-huh.
him
In
post.
social media.
And actually we can learn from this
Okay.
how to talk with the own how to say
Okay.
pembeli,
Okay.
and
Customer.
also yes,
Digital marketing, something like that.
marketing.
Digital marketing.
Yes,
Okay.
online shop.
Online shop.
Yes, of course.
About like electronic.
Electronic.
Okay.
And also I think we should to learn from a little from how to say sedikit demi sedikit and
Little.
step by
Okay.
step.
Little by little.
And
Little by
actually
little.
if we can understand about this
Okay.
how to say usaha,
Okay.
and we can to build
Okay.
in the future.
Okay.
And I think that's all.
The third, do you have?
Yes, I think same with Adel. Gold.
How
Because
gold?
my cousin,
Are you sure?
yes, my cousin over menawarkan me to how to say invest gold, just a little, maybe 5,000,
Okay.
and yes, some in the future, the gold it will increase in their harga.
Okay, good. Thank you, Mr. Achang. Okay, while we discussion, once again we remind to smart listener to share their questions or everything about our topic tonight by WhatsApp in 081 146 or 081 Okay. We will continue while we're waiting a smart listener to share or maybe ask about future investment. Okay, move
Okay.
to James.
My turn is right now. Okay.
Again, I want to
Yeah.
ask the same question actually. Do you have already now investment?
Yes, of course.
What's look like?
That's called achievement. Achievement is our
Achievement?
future investment.
Can you explain what is that achievement? What's
Well
look
done. Our life has vision, mission, and what we are going to do in the future.
Uh-huh.
That's why I call it future investments.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I have a dream to be living abroad, immigrate abroad, or something to have experience or to participate in exchange student.
Okay.
Even though our condition is hit by the bad conditions such as COVID-19, but my trying to get into my achievement, still trying to get it.
Okay.
That's why I need to achieve all my dreams.
Uh-huh.
That's why I have a plan for a few years, even though we've got the COVID-19 issues. We must have to take another things that we can have to do right now, such as learning English,
Okay.
or such as we learn about webinar, or such as to enhance our knowledge about all the exchange or
The concrete one is the first is education you already
Yeah.
have, right? And the second is maybe you improve some skills, right?
right.
Okay.
True.
But what about maybe you still have a point like the third, the four others one to share with our smart
Okay.
listeners, like the concrete, the real things.
Yeah.
Not about vision, because vision we cannot see by our indra, right? But I ask you to
No.
mention or share to
Okay.
smart listener that the concrete that we can see by
The reality.
the
in future.
reality. Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm going to.
Maybe you
fix
have a
about the
business?
point.
Maybe you have a business.
Oh yeah,
What kind?
but still, right now I'm still preparing. Just my business is to get into my parent business. Just only such a thing in earlier, because my parents still priority for me to just keep in your campus.
What is that? Your business?
Well done. My parents are entrepreneurs. They have their business, which is a supplement or tools of building.
Like contractor, something like that?
No.
No?
That's too big. It's just a small thing. It's like
It's-
paints. It's like pipe. It's like lamp.
Okay. This is about it seemed like jazz, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Surface.
How do we say in English jazz? Do you know?
Surface? Or what?
Okay. Do you still have any others?
Well, yeah, I would like to fix about my previous statement about the achievement. Well,
Okay.
like this,
Mhm.
because as you mentioned in prior that investment is about what would like to obtain in the future.
Okay.
Nah, well, the relation is about achievement,
Mm-hmm.
because achievement is would like to realize our dream in the future, because when we get elderly we cannot get it to achieve anymore. Just imagine when you're 50, 60, 70s, can you get your dream about abroad instead of in your young age,
Okay.
because you still have power,
Okay.
you still have
It's similar
ability.
also with adult statement that
Yeah, because
state mindset,
yeah,
right?
Okay,
Mindset
right.
is the basic, right?
Yeah.
It's a totally very important about it. Okay, thank you, James.
Okay, you're welcome. So sorry for my my improper point.
It's good.
Because it's almost
amazing,
similar. It's
amazing.
almost- it's
What
almost
about
part of
you,
the point.
Mr. Ryan? Do
Okay.
you have an investment right now?
Yeah, for right now,
What's
it's,
it look like?
for now it's not yet, but in the future,
I think you have. For the first is education, right?
but
And the second is friends.
no,
Yeah.
no.
No? Okay.
I mean, in the future, I will make like a course,
Uh-huh.
and
For now, not.
not yet.
But in the future.
Yeah, in the future.
Okay. For the future,
Yes,
you want to build
build a
or
course,
open course
open course,
first, and second.
What else?
I don't know. In your mind, what do you want to say about the future investment?
Yeah. Beside the course, I will.
Maybe you want to open like some
some business.
business. What's it look like? What business? Food,
like a
or
food,
cafe,
food delivery.
food delivery.
Yes.
Oh, like fast food.
Not fast food.
It's like traditional.
Dessert.
Dessert. Okay,
Yes.
dessert. Any else?
I think it's not. Yeah, that's all.
Okay. Yeah. Welcome to Smartfm Makassar 101.1 FM. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, because we have already a lot of questions, but this is a very still interesting about future investment. That actually future investment not only about money, but also we can invest by, something like education, our healthy, our mindset, our something like social, and etc. Something like that. Okay. I want to ask maybe Rian.
Okay.
Rian, what is your conclusion about our topic tonight?
Okay, my conclusion for this topic for tonight is the investigation is not only yeah the investigation not only we invest our money our many things that is concrete, but also we have to share our how to say our knowledge, our knowledge, and we can share our knowledge to other people. And you know that the knowledge we share the knowledge will never disappear to other people.
Okay, so you totally agree that the future investment not totally only about money,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That is.
Okay. What about you, James? Do you have a conclusion about our topic tonight in your own words, in your perspective?
Okay, well done. I would like to give my opinion about our theme tonight is future investment. There are some strategies that we must have to done in our young age for our aging or our future investment. There's so many points criteria.
Okay.
Are healthy, economic or financial, skill, education, character, happiness, and etc. A lot of things. Healthy. In our young age, we must have to consume for good, healthy, and nutrition food for our healthy someday in our aging.
Okay.
Well, and meanwhile, in economic or financial, we must have to start in our business or something that we can do for our work without facing our risks. Because today we can see our COVID-19 as the lesson in the future. When our economy has been recovered, we must have to start it our business and savings half of our money for emergency situation for our financial profession someday. And also skill education. Even though we are in developing country, we must have to fight our struggling to still keep on our education. Because someday in the future, when our technology, when we have to get in new revolution of industry, either is 5.0 or 0.56, we must have to prepare in the future. So I think that my conclusion is too longer. So just for this.
So the conclusion is not only one aspect, not only money, but
there are
all of aspect, a lot of things, include education, right?
We would like to invest.
Yeah. Okay. What about you, Chan? What is your conclusion about our topic tonight?
Actually, in conclusion, in our topic today, actually, if you want to success, you should to sacrifice in your money, you should to sacrifice in your time, and you can get anything from this. Your has been sacrificed. I think that's all.
So the conclusion is sacrifice anything to get anything.
Of course.
I did it. Okay, what about you, Adele? What is your conclusion about our topic tonight?
My conclusion. Many words say, rich people more be rich, and poor people more be people.
Rich
people more be rich, and poor people more be poor.
Wow.
Because what? Tax and debt.
Okay.
This is very dangerous things.
Whoa.
But if you can manage your money, can you manage your debt? It have a big value for you.
Okay.
So continue. Build yourself to great people for your story in the future.
Okay. So the conclusion is you give a warning for the lazy people.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Because all of you guys have already give a conclusion, now we move to the idioms and vocabularies. Who want the first gift idioms? Okay, Achang, idioms
Maybe my-
first.
Okay. as per us a crunch most. Artinya itu
Ya, in bahasa.
artinya itu sangat miskin.
Aha.
Jadi contoh katanya itu this area is as poor as Crutchmoss. Lingkungan di sini sangat miskin because they don't invest in their knowledge and they just how to say rebahan.
Okay, environment is make an effect, right?
Yes.
Okay, what about the second idioms?
Money is no object. Yang artinya itu harga tidaklah menjadi suatu masalah.
Okay. What about vocabularies? Do you have vocabularies?
I think not.
Okay, not. Adele, do you have idioms?
Yeah, I have just one idiom.
Okay, no problem.
I'll look like $1 million.
Look like $1 million.
Yes.
Can you translate?
The meaning is terlihat sangat luar biasa.
Terlihat sangat luar biasa. What about vocabularies?
I have some vocabularies.
What
like
are they?
Investment, investasi, mindset, pola pikir, skill, kemampuan, and manage, mengatur.
Okay. What about Mr. Brian? Do you have some idioms or vocabularies?
I have one idiom.
Okay. Too much. Okay.
My idiom is the more you share, the more you get.
Okay. What about vocabularies?
Nothing.
Nothing? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, James, do you have idioms and vocabularies?
Oh, yes, I have it.
Okay, what are they?
My idiom is pour money down the drain. Idiom yang satu ini memiliki makna menghabiskan uang dalam jumlah banyak baik sengaja ataupun tidak.
Okay.
Contoh penggunaan dalam keseharian. His startup company really pours money down the drain with that investment. Perusahaan startup miliknya menghabiskan uang untuk investasi. Ya, itu saja. That's all.
Do you have vocabularies?
Oh no.
No?
Sorry, I'm not ready for that.
Okay, thank you guys for your contribution, participation, and meet us here again in Smart FM. And I think that's all our conversation, our discussion with BPEC. Give a big applause for BPEC Smart FM.
Yeah.
Okay, see you next week, Smart Listener. Ciao.